Hello friends, last month I personally reviewed almost 200 resumes in Dubai for senior SAP positions. Honestly, I was shocked because out of those resumes, nearly 90% were rejected by AI systems within just 7 seconds. They never even reached the hiring manager. Just imagine you may have 10 years of experience, 15 years of experience, SAP certifications, and strong technical knowledge, but AI is rejecting your resume before a human even reads it. Today, your resume may also be facing the same situation. In this video, with my 25 years of Dubai IT industry experience, I am going to share the real insider HR truth with you. I will explain how AI ATS systems work, what mistakes are causing resumes to get rejected, and what you should fix tomorrow morning itself. First, let us understand one important reality. Today, whether it is Dubai, India, or the USA, almost every major company uses ATS systems. ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System. In simple words, your resume is not first seen by a human, it is first reviewed by AI. The moment you apply for a job, AI opens your resume, scans it, gives it a score, and only then sends it to the recruiter. This is where most people are failing today. Now listen carefully. What does AI check first? It scans the top 1/3 of your resume. That means your headline, your job title, your top skills, certifications, and keywords. All these are scanned first, and this process happens within seconds, sometimes in just 7 seconds. Then AI compares your resume with the job description. Are the keywords matching? Is the experience relevant? Does the industry background match? Everything is scored. Usually a relevant score is generated between 0 and 100. If your score is below 60%, your resume is automatically rejected. The recruiter never even sees it. If your score is above 80%, your resume goes into the priority shortlist. Now imagine the Dubai market. One SAP role may receive more than 500 resumes. How can a recruiter manually review all of them? It is impossible. That is why AI filtering has become mandatory. Let me also tell you one painful truth. Indian style resumes usually have a lower pass rate in the Gulf market. Why? Wrong formatting, wrong keywords, wrong structure. Now let us talk about the first major mistake. Almost 70% of the resumes I reviewed had this issue. Because of this one mistake, AI rejects resumes within just a few seconds. Friends, many people create beautiful resumes using Canva templates, colorful designs, and fancy layouts, but AI cannot properly understand them. The biggest mistake is when people scan a printed resume and create a PDF. That becomes an image PDF, not a text PDF. I cannot read the text. Some people also use images inside docx files. Same problem. AI gets confused. Canva resumes may look beautiful to humans, but to AI, they look like random gibberish. So what is the solution? Very simple. Open your resume in Microsoft Word. Click File, then Save As, and save it as a PDF. That's it. But there is one important test. Open the PDF and try selecting and copying the text. If the text copies cleanly, AI can also read it properly. If the text cannot be copied correctly, AI also cannot read it. Simple. Friends, out of the 200 resumes I reviewed, almost 60 resumes were rejected because of this one formatting issue. The candidates had talent, experience, and technical knowledge, but the wrong file format closed the door for them. Now let us discuss another dangerous mistake. A TS system scan for specific keywords. If you use the wrong wording, your resume gets rejected. If you use the correct wording, your interview chances can increase dramatically. Friends, most people write titles like SAP consultant, senior SAP professional, or SAP functional expert. To AI, these titles are meaningless. Why? Because recruiters search for specific job titles. For example, SAP FICO consultant, S/4HANA, SAPMM lead, manufacturing, or SAPSD retail consultant. These exact keywords matter a lot. Now listen carefully. The best trick is this. Open 5 real Dubai job descriptions from websites like Bait, Naukri, Gulf, or Gulf Talent. Search for your target role. Then copy the exact job title wording and use the same wording in your resume headline. That's it. Just 2 minutes of work, but a huge impact. Most people are lazy and continue using generic titles. That is why their AI match score becomes very low. Now let us talk about another very important mistake. AI prefers simple resumes. Humans may like attractive resumes, but AI does not. What destroys your resume? Tables, graphics, icons, progress bars, photos, and 2-column layouts. AI reads from left to right. So columns get mixed, tables break, and information becomes unreadable. And photos? In the Dubai market, photos are not necessary. In fact, they often confuse AI systems. So what works best? A simple single column resume, clear structure. Standard section names like experience or skills, education and certifications. Whose bullet points? Whose clean formatting? Whose fonts like Arial or Calibri? It is more than enough, friends. A readable resume is better than a creative resume. An ATS friendly resume is better than a fancy resume, because a boring resume gets interviews, a fancy resume gets rejected. Now let us discuss the three most important keywords AI scans first. Number one is module plus version. Do not simply write SAP FICO. Instead write SAP FICOS/4HANA 2023 version numbers show your technical depth and current relevance. Number two is years plus industry. Do not simply write 8 years SAP experience. Instead write 8 years SAP FICO experience in banking and retail. Industry keywords improve your score significantly. Number three is certification plus location. Do not simply write certified SAP consultant. Instead write SAP certified application associate, Dubai based, GCC ready. Location keywords are extremely important in the Gulf market. Now let us come to the practical action plan. Tomorrow morning do these four things. First, test your PDF. Open it and check whether the text can be copied properly. If not, recreate your resume. Second, rewrite the top section of your resume. Add your exact target role title. Add your module and version details. Mention your location. Move your photo. Move tables. Third, read 5 Dubai job descriptions. Identify the keywords and add them naturally into your skills section. Fourth, apply to at least one Dubai role today using your updated resume and observe your response rate over the next 7 days. You will clearly see the difference yourself. Friends, if your resume is getting rejected by AI, it does not mean your talent is weak. It means your formatting is weak. Your presentation is weak. Your keyword strategy is weak. The good news is that you do not need months to fix this. Just 75 minutes is enough. Complete these changes this weekend. And comment below, what is your biggest resume challenge? Are you getting no replies? Too many rejections? No HR calls? PDF issues? Layout problems? Comment below. We will personally guide you. And remember to subscribe now, turn on the bell icon, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, friends.